What's up, everyone? I'm Alex Neff, your real estate resource and host of the Bucks County Living Podcast. Today, I'm going to talk about FHA mortgage loans. So if you're a first-time home buyer or you have a lower credit score, you may be eligible for an FHA loan. These loans are insured by the Federal Housing Administration, and they are designed to help people with lower credit scores and smaller down payments to afford homeownership. So FHA does not mean first-time home buyers. FHA is the Federal Housing Administration and is open to everybody, even if you're not a first-time home buyer. One of the main benefits of an FHA mortgage is that it allows for a lower down payment. While conventional loans typically require a down payment of at least 3% if you have a crazy good credit score, typically it's between 5 to 10% if you have a good credit score, sometimes upwards of 20% if you have a pretty okay credit score. The FHA loans allow for a down payment for as low as 3.5%. This can be especially helpful for first-time home buyers who may not have a lot of money saved for a down payment. Now, some of the FHA loan requirements for credit is going to be dependent on the actual lender itself, the lender that issues the loan. This is just insured by the Federal Housing Administration, saying that, hey, if you as the borrower are unable to pay this loan, the lender, the bank, if you will, is going to be able to recoup their investment from the federal government. Some of the credit requirements include a minimum of a 500 credit score. If you have between like 500 and 580 as a credit score, most lenders are going to require at least like 10% down. If you have 580 or more, the bare minimum is 3.5% down. In addition to the low down payment requirement, FHA mortgage loans also have more flexible credit requirements. So that means even if you have less than perfect credit, you're going to be eligible for an FHA loan. To qualify for an FHA mortgage loan, you must meet certain income and property requirements. Your income must be stable, and you must have a good debt-to-income ratio. The property that you are purchasing must also meet certain standards, such as being in good repair and having a safe electrical system. So an appraiser that is going to come out for on behalf of the mortgage company, they're a third-party appraiser. They're going to make sure that everything is up to par and that is in good repair and safe for the federal government to issue this insurance on the loan. If you think you might be eligible for an FHA mortgage loan, the first step is to speak with a lender who is approved to offer these loans. They can help you determine if you're eligible and walk you through the application process. In summary, FHA mortgage loans are a great option for first-time home buyers or those with lower credit scores. They offer the benefit of a low down payment and more flexible credit requirements and are insured by the Federal Housing Administration. If you think you might be eligible, reach out to a lender to learn more and start the application process. I have a host of lenders that I have worked with in the past and have relationships with that are more than happy to walk you through the process. I don't get any kickbacks from that. Legally, I'm not allowed to. As a realtor in the state of Pennsylvania and New Jersey, I'm not allowed to receive any kickbacks from mortgage lenders. These are just people that I've worked with in the past, and they're on their A game, and they're more than happy to help people get into a home. So I really hope that this was helpful for you to understand a little bit more about FHA loans. And I'm curious as to what you think. Do you qualify for an FHA loan? What questions do you have for an FHA loan? You can use them more than once. It's not just for first-time home buyers. It's for anybody with with less than perfect credit. So I'm really curious to see what you think about FHA loans. Leave some comments in the comment section below. Hit like and make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel if you found this helpful. And I hope to see you next time.